So let me just show you. Oh bhai sahab, I finally have this. I hope you all are doing really great, and this is another day of documenting myself till 100 days straight. And you can see the weather, if that is visible, you know, the rustle of wind. I hope that you are able to listen that, and you know, the shaking of leaves, it's telling all about it, that how pretty the weather is of today. And if I show you a little about the clouds and sky, oh dude, how pretty it is looking. Can you even see it? Cute. Anyways, let's get started with today's documentation. And this is going to be a literally a special one for me, because today I'm here with my laptop, dude, for the very first time. So let me show you. This is basically a Dell ka laptop. So let me just show you. Oh bhai sahab, I finally have this. Literally it was like a manifestation. When I'll finally have it, I would like to say कि तुम्हें पता भी है मैंने तुम्हारे कितना वेट किया है. Oh dude, I just love it. Okay, so let me on this. Although there is nothing so fancy in this, and क्योंकि मैं ऊपर हूँ छत पे and there is a lot of sunlight, you know, so I think its flashlight is not that bright कि screen दिख सके. But I will like you know, what do you say it? I will up it. What will I do with this? I will increase the brightness. Yeah, I'll increase the brightness. But before that, I have a lot of things to tell you all. After a long time, today I am feeling from within to document something, because earlier पता नहीं क्यों ऐसा होता था. I don't used to feel like doing it. I was literally somewhere or the other a little demotivated, low key. But now today, I think I don't know what have I done with myself, but like I have somehow I have somewhere or the other I have like motivated myself. I have consoled myself. I have made myself understand about the things, and you know, I had to talk a lot with myself. That's why I am here with my diary, in which I have made a to-do list. But sadly, I have not ticked anything off from this to-do list. It is not to-do list, it is basically a habit tracker, I can say. So yeah, because you know, I really don't know that why I just was kind of lost with the energy, with that excitement of learning things, of doing the things, and you know. But yeah, today I have just realized one thing. Somewhere some days before, I washed up, and this is literally a very important thing for you all as well to focus on, to pay attention to basically. And it is that the thing is that I watched a few days ago, can't say few days, but can say a lots of days before, I watched a video, and it was like there was a girl who was with her dadi or nani, and her nani or dadi was someone who used to write the diaries. And in her diary there was a quote, and it was like, if you are doing something for happiness, it might be that you don't get the happiness after doing that, but if you will do something happily or with happiness, then you will get the happiness and the success at the same time. So I was like, oh, this is something that I think needed direly, or I was in entire need of. You have to do everything with happiness, yeah, and that happiness was somewhere or the other lost. So I just had to remind myself, maybe because of comparison. Yeah, this was actually the major reason of it, you know, me losing my excitement and happiness and other stuff. Because we know that when we compare ourselves with others, we lose the focus, we lose the consistency, we lose the self-esteem, we lose the self-confidence, and so many things at the same time, which is not really good. So yeah, at that time, what you need to do, you need to take a pause, and you need to remind yourself that what was the reason why you started doing all of that stuff. What was the why behind it? What was your why? And you need to just simply start doing the stuff with the same consistency, with same intention again. So yeah, that is what it teached me, it taught me. That's what it actually taught me, and I just really want to keep this lesson with me throughout the life, you know, whenever such situation comes. Let me start the turn on the laptop, and let me show you something over here. I cannot show you something because it has no, you know, internet, but yeah, I can turn on the camera and then show you something. like not, I mean there is not something special in the camera, but still I myself have not seen it. I myself have not seen myself in this in its camera. So yeah, that is going to be a first time experience for me as well. You know, when I got this first, what I watched in this, firstly I watched a Rajan ji ka hymn, like a hymn by Rajan ji of Raghav ji, so Ram ji. So yeah, that was the thing. I was feeling so good that time. And then secondly, what I saw, you can guess it, that what is the thing I might have watched, I could have watched secondly. So it was my own channel, and I watched my own videos, you know, on that. I loved it, but I have not recorded a screen recording or video of that, because I was so happy, dude. That was the moment. But yeah, I can recreate it someday, then I'll show you. Certainly I'll show you. So there you go. I don't know what gesture to make, but yeah, this is how it is looking.